Are you looking for ways to make money online? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a platform that will pay you for live streaming, audio live streaming. You don't have to show your face on this platform. This one is basically audio live streaming. So you go live on this platform and then you get paid at the end of certain hours you are asked to go live, okay? And you also perform some other activities like playing of games and the rest of them to get paid on this platform. Without much wasting of our time, let me head over to my phone as I show you this platform, okay? So I'm going to be leaving the link on the description or in the comments. Wherever you find the link, just click on it. It's going to take you to your Play Store or your App Store. So once you get there, you're going to see it like this. The name of the platform is called Suva. So you're going to go ahead and click on install. Once you install the app, then go ahead and click on open. You're going to be registering with either you register with your Google account. There's so many other ways to register, but go ahead and register with your Google account, okay? So I've already registered on this platform, so as you can see, it automatically logged me in, okay? So inside this platform, you can see so many different people doing their live stream, doing their tasks on this platform. So I'm going to be showing you how to get started, okay? So once you register, head over to this human being icon. Is going to show you your interface, okay? So once you are here, go over and put your profile picture. That's the first thing you are going to do. Go over and put your profile picture, and then once you put your profile picture, then go over and click on this. And once you go there, change your nickname, put your gender, put your date of birth, and then put your country, okay? So once you are done with that, come back and then do your verification, okay? So once you do your verification, you are going to show verified. Without verification, you are not going to see your tax, okay? So you have to verify before doing your tax, okay? So once you do your verification, what you are going to see here is you already verified, okay? As you can see, I'm already verified here, okay? So the next thing you are going to do is to join an agency, okay? If you want to join my agency, I'm going to be leaving my agency ID here. You can copy it and join my agency. But if you want to become an agency, you can also go ahead and chat me. I'm going to give you an agency link which you can also use and become your own agency, okay? So once you are done with that, you've already completed the first step, and then the next step is for you to start performing your tasks to make money, okay? So the next step is come back here, and then you see this live icon here, this camera icon. You click on it. It's going to show you go live, okay? Then go ahead and enter your room, okay? So go ahead and enter your room. So once you are inside your room, you can tap on this chair, okay? Tap on this chair here and then sit on the chair. You're already on the mic. So you're already on the mic. So once you're on the mic, you're going to sit on this mic for 3 hours, okay? The first 1 hour for newbies, the first 1 hour you are going to get 2,000, and the next 1 hour you're going to, for the next 3 hours you're going to be getting 5,000. So for the newbies, for the 5 hours you're going to be getting 5,000 coins, okay? So if you click on tax here, you are going to be seeing different tax available for you as a newbie. So make sure once you join, you perform all your newbie tax for the next 7 days, because after 7 days your newbie tax will expire. You stop seeing your tax, okay? So let's go ahead and allow this to open. Okay, so once it open, you are going to be seeing your tax like this, okay? On your mic for 1 hour, you are going to be getting 2,000. On your mic for three hours, you are going to be getting 3,000. This for newbies. This, you are going to be claiming this 5,000 coins for the next 7 days, okay? So I've already completed my first 1 hour. I'm going to go ahead and claim the coin. Just click on claim. So I've received 2,000 diamond. Then I'm going to also claim the next one, 3,000. So right now I have received my 5,000 reward for the day, okay? So the next day starts by 5 p.m. every day. Your next day will start, okay? So there are other activities you can do here, like bet 100 coins and get 500, then 500 and get 500, invite a new user and get this, okay? And these are other tasks you can do. Go and sit on someone's mic for 2 hours and you're also going to get 1,000, okay? So these are also other activities you can do here to claim your coins. Play this game, gifts, and every other activities here. You just go ahead and you are going to get all these coins, okay? So if I click on rules here, you're going to see different rules on this platform that you cannot actually follow, so that you don't get banned. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you different rules on this platform you need to follow, and then after that I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw from this platform, which is the most important thing for you. Okay, so these are the host. All right, okay, so this is the host policy. Okay, so once you recharge one USD is equivalent to 10,000 coins, and you can withdraw from 10,000 diamonds, which is equivalent to one USD. Your gift revenue is 70%. So once you get a gift, you get 70% of the gift. Why they take 30%, and these are the tax available for here. Regular tax 2,000 per hour, 3,000 per 3 hours, and also invitation. So at the end of 7 days you should be getting at least $4.55 at the end of 7 days. So if you're already an existing host here, these are different ways you can also earn. You can for daily host that doesn't, if you don't have any level, if you're at level 0, you should be earning like 1,000 every day at level 0. But if you upgrade yourself to 2,500 coins, you'll be getting 1,240, and then to the rest of them here there is up to 100 million, there's 50 million, there's 25 million, there's different. Just go ahead and check it out, and you are required to do 2 hours per day to get all these coins. Okay, so you can also go ahead and read all these instructions here. So the next thing is, how do I actually withdraw this money after everything? Will I be able to withdraw my money? So that's what you should be asking yourself. Will I be able to withdraw my money? So the next step is to show you how to withdraw from this platform. Okay, so let's go ahead and leave the room and then go back here. All right, so the next step is, how do I actually withdraw from this platform? So the minimum withdrawal here is $10. That is 100,000 coins. Okay, $10. So once you have up to that, you'll be able to withdraw. So once you have up to that, click on diamond. It's going to take you to the site where you are going to withdraw. Okay, so once it opens, you can see withdraw or redeem. Withdraw is for you to withdraw it, while redeem is you can actually convert it to coins to do other activities. You are going to go ahead and click on withdraw. Maybe on my next post I'm going to do how to withdraw from this platform, because it's going to be a long process. You're actually going to set up your password, set up your Binance and all that to withdraw from this platform. The withdrawable amount is only 100,000 coins, which is $10. That's the amount you can withdraw from this platform, and you use Binance to withdraw it. Okay, so on my next video I'm going to show you how I withdraw from this platform. All right, that should be by next week. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Share to your friends that will also want to benefit from this platform. Thank you.